You can save time, money, and labor with the Picnic Pizza Station. The automated make line makes up to 130 pizzas an hour with a single employee and with less than 2% food waste. The 3 modules of the Picnic Pizza Station can be configured left to right or right to left, whichever works best for your make line. The food modules are refrigerated and NSF certified. Enter your order on screen, choosing size, toppings, and quantity. With an optional integration, your orders can move from your POS directly to the station. Place your crust on a screen in the ingress module anywhere between the rails. The system uses a camera to determine the size, shape, and location of a dough, so it knows exactly where to deposit ingredients. Curious about crust? The Picnic Pizza Station supports round, oval, and square-shaped crusts from 12 to 16 inches with a thickness of up to 1.5 inches, including the pan. The sauce module holds 19 liters and applies a measured amount of sauce to each crust. Sauce should be smooth and of a medium viscosity. The Picnic Pizza Station supports diced and some shredded cheese. We recommend low-moisture, part-skim cheese with an anti-caking agent for optimal performance. Pepperoni is sliced fresh from the stick and placed precisely on the crust. You determine how thickly it's sliced and how many slices per pie. The granular toppings module dispenses up to 3 different toppings in any combination on your pizza. Toppings should be firm, uniform pieces up to 3/8 of an inch diced, such as onions, peppers, mushrooms, and crumbled sausage. The finished pizza emerges at the end of the station, ready for further hand topping or to be loaded in your oven. Reloading the system during service is easy. Sauce, cheese, and granular toppings can be reloaded during operation. You'll get an on-screen alert when it's time to reload pepperoni, which requires a brief pause in operation. Cleaning and basic maintenance are also a breeze. Assembly at the beginning of the day takes about 10 minutes, and a trained worker can clean up at the end of the day in about 20 minutes. Delivery, installation, and regular maintenance, including blade sharpening, are included in your service agreement. The automated make line of the Picnic Pizza Station helps keep your busy kitchen moving smoothly, allowing you to keep your focus on your customers. It's your pizza made easy.